Okay, so hello, my name is Gerald Lara, and this is my final presentation project. In this final presentation project, my topic is digital marketing tools and analytics. So in the next like 6, 7 minutes, I want to show you how companies stop counting about their advertising and the one problem that they still have not solved. So coming into our first slide is going to be from guessing to counting. So for most of its history, marketing was an act of faith. A company paid for advertisement and sales went down or went up. And nobody could actually prove which fact caused the other. So digital technology removed that excuse. The digital 2026 report records 6.04 billion internet users worldwide and 5.66 billion social media identities. And it found that 96% of those users connect to a phone. So every one of them leave a record of what they click, of what they did. We have four different ways to reach, and we have like four different ways to reaching the audience that take four kinds of different tools. We have CEO and pay advertisements, social media tools, and email automatization. So the first one, CEO, that is search engine optimization that earns free traffic. We have paid advertisement that buy a placement instead of earning it. We have social media tools that let a small team publish and monitor across several networks from one dashboard, and email authorization. The sends message triggered by what a customer just did, and each one of them produce a string of recorded behavior, and that is where analytics begins. So in our next slides, and we had that the most study of these four is the CEO, the search engine optimization. Britannica defines it as increasing the quality and the quantity of organic traffic, organic meaning on page, by improving your ranking in the indices of search engines. In practice, the word is for teens. Understanding how search engines deliver their results, and applying a keyword strategy, building links from one to another, from other sizes, and adapting to mobile, social, and local search. And here is why it actually matters, because more than 90% of all web searches have gone through Google since 2010. One company's algorithm sets the rule for the entire industry for like 16 years ago. In the next slide, it is analytics and a story you can see inside. We have that Stokes actually explain analytics and with a comparison that I like. A comparison that I like, that is, imagine you open a new store fashion in the best mall and the middle of the town, and you spend heavily on branding, and on opening day the crowd walking with nobody or almost nobody buy anything. You have then the question like why that happened, the single overworked cashier, and the smell, or versus the smell of fresh painting. In a physical store, you can actually cannot separate those factors. Now try to move that situation into the same, the same situation into business online, and every click is record, the guesswork disappear, the challenge because knowing where to look, what to look for, and what to do with the information that you find. So the process is a loop. It's track, analyze, visualize, and act. But actually, which number actually matter, and which of those thousands of available measurements deserve your attention. So Sarah and his college ran a systematic review across five academic databases and examined 378 studies, looking for the metrics the companies must need to manage. And notice how they describe their own purpose to help the field reach a consensus. That words actually tell you something. And if researchers reviewing 378 studies still have to argue for a consensus, then the field does not have one. But we still have two problems that so we ain't having still with two unsolved problems. That is first, no agree standards. Two companies can both announce success while measuring completely different things, and neither claim can be checked against the other. The second one is the dependence. A business built on organic ranking is exposed to decisions made entirely outside it, and one algorithm update can erase months of work overnight. So both share the same root. The numbers are automatic, but deciding which number actually matters is still a human judgment. So, in conclusion, or to conclude, digital tools generate the activity and analytics recorded. Together, they make marketing measurable and in a way that was never before, but the judgment is still a human work and has not been automated yet. So learning the software is actually the easy part. The valuable skill is deciding which number actually answer the question and staying on it about what the data cannot show. So basically, that will be all. Those are my five sources and my reference, and that will be all. And thank you so much for watching.